Once upon a time, there was a king. He loved eating blueberry. He grew many blueberry trees in his backyard. His teeth turned blue after eating tons of blueberry. The king's name was Harald Blatant, but he was known as Harald Bluetooth. In 1995, Ericsson and Nokia invented short-distance wireless communication technology. They named it with the king's name because the king unified all the separate continents together in Northern Europe, which symbolized connection. The logo of Bluetooth was inspired by the initials of the king's name.
Bluetooth can reach 300 meters communication range and the speed is up to 2 million bits per second. Bluetooth, with its ability to connect disparate devices and industries through short-range technology, can transform the way devices interact with each other. Today, Bluetooth technology has evolved from classic Bluetooth to smart Bluetooth stage, including the latest version, Bluetooth 5. Bluetooth has been applied to many areas, such as home appliances, school campus, senior living, and other industries. What do you think the future of Bluetooth will be?